Use our Page Editor feature to manage pages and map elements to your PDF background. To access the Page Editor, navigate to the Templates tab and click into the template you'd like to edit. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice that we're immediately dropped into the Field Editor by default, which allows us to view and manage the fields on our template. When you click into the Page Editor, it will appear that the fields disappear since we are now managing the PDF background of our template. On the left, we have our page elements, which we can map to our PDF background. And on the right, we have our Pages panel, which allows us to add, replace, or delete pages. Let's say we have an updated version of our PDF that's almost the same as what we currently have, minus a few minor tweaks. We can use the Page Editor to replace our PDF background without disturbing the fields we've already mapped over to our template. In this case, the only change is on page 1 of my PDF, so I can click the ellipsis next to page 1 and select Replace. Then I can either drag and drop over the updated PDF or click to browse. Once the selected PDF loads, I can click Save Draft. When switching back to the Field Editor, all of the fields should still line up as intended. And that's it. As always, feel free to reach out if any other questions come up.